Good morning everyone and welcome back to Daily Driven Estate. Today we are going on a small trip again, about 260 kilometers, first drive, and then we will switch cars for a Toyota sadly, but it has a roof tent on it and that will be our first experience with a roof tent. We are going to Rättvik and Dalhalla to go for a concert. Thåström from Sweden. It's really good. Yesterday I had the car in for service. It was an inspection service, quite an expensive one, since I had to change both gear oil and diff oil. Even more expensive it was to change my AC condenser, since someone made a hole in it about 1.5 years back. I won't say who, but it feels good to have a working AC again, even if I would rather have had it this summer instead of autumn, even though I actually use it a lot in winter to keep the moisture out of the car. Onto this even a little bit smaller road. Too bad it's raining today, because this is usually a very nice view driving over here. A little rough road. Looks like they decided to scrape the asphalt off and put new on, but they only did half the job so far. This place is called Dalhalla. We have about 55 kilometers left on this road. Let's go!
Riding high, feeling free. My golf all track, that's the one for me. Yeah. Black all track, taking me away from the streets to the dirt. I'm here to stay. All track, feeling alive. My ride, my passion, it's gonna thrive. So I'll keep on driving, feeling alive. My golf all track by my side. Yeah. Soft chords rise, a gentle breeze. Life's a road that bends and frees.
Now we have reached Svenstavik. I don't know much about this place more than that you have to drive very slow through it, since it's a 30 km/h zone. And there we have reached the end of the road 321, and we are turning on to E45.
Footsteps echo on the waking stage. Dreams are maps, but hearts decide the twists, the turns, the places we'll run. Let's laugh as we go, let the rhythm flow. Do what we love what we do. Every sunrise is a chance to grow. In the story we're writing, we're the crew. Storms may come and shadows may fall, but a spark inside keeps us standing tall. When the road gets rough, just pause and sing. Find that spark of joy, let it ring. Let's laugh as we go, let the rhythm flow. Do what we love what we do. Every sunrise is a chance to grow. In the story we're writing, we're the crew. Feel the pulse, feel the beat, feel the love, feel the heat. We're alive, we're bold, let's write the story untold.
Looks like we stumble upon some road work here. Hopefully we get to drive soon. There is a red light for us at the moment.
The road stretches far, horizons wide. With every beat we'll ride, so sing, live and let the moments bloom. In this grand adventure we'll always find room. Let's laugh as we go, let the rhythm flow. Do what we love what we do. Every sunrise is a chance to grow. In the story we're writing, we're the crew. Feel the pulse, feel the beat, feel the love, feel the heat. We're alive, we're bold, let's write the story untold.
Alright, I have reached my first destination. Even if I like to shake things up a bit, I hope the footage weren't too shaky. Leave a comment of what you thought about the video so far.
A gentle tide, whispering dawn, the day's first stride. A quiet home, the world's soft pulse, ready to ignite, let the story unfold. Wake up, the sunrise is calling, dreams are waiting in the silence. Step out, let your heart keep rolling. You got the fire, feel the brilliance. Every heart beats a drum beat. Every breath is a new chapter. Life's a mirror that shows you what you'll get if you keep on after. Feel the rhythm in your veins, the beat that carries hope again. You get what you give, so give what you get. Shine your light, don't let it dim. Stand up tall, you're the best yet. your spirit away. Obstacles, they're just stepping stones. Push your limits, break the mold. The world's a stage, feel the tone. Your courage writes a story bold. When doubt tries to whisper, remember all the battles won. Your soul's a blazing river. Keep flowing, keep moving. Hold the fire in your eyes. The world's waiting for your rise. You get what you give, so give what you get. Shine your light.
Now we are at our destination, Dalhalla, outside Rättvik. This is the vehicle we are traveling in today. Borrowed car, borrowed tent. It will be our first night in a roof tent. In a couple of hours we will begin to walk to the area of the concert. We will have some food. Alright, tent is up. We decided to book a spot instead. Unfortunately we left the sticks to hold the tent up a little bit. Here we have it, Dalhalla, old shark quarry.